Congratulations! You've just joined millions of people around the world who have discovered their Clifton Strengths 34 results. Now it's time to make the most out of what you naturally do best. It starts with your report, which explains exactly what makes you uniquely powerful and how you can use your strengths to maximize your potential. Your personalized report begins with your rank order of all 34 themes. This is your talent DNA. It's completely unique to you. The colors throughout your DNA strand represent the 4 domains of Clifton Strengths. These domains explain how each of the themes help you contribute when you join, create, or lead a team. Now let's take a closer look at your report. We designed it to help you understand and use your strongest Clifton Strengths. First, start with your top 5. Your report details how you can use each of these to succeed. For each of your top 5, you receive personalized insights. These are completely unique and specific to you based on how you responded to the Clifton Strengths assessment. You also get ideas for how to use each of your top themes to maximize your potential. And you'll even learn the blind spots of each theme. These are things to watch out for because they might get in your way of success. Next, shift your focus to Clifton Strengths 6 through 10. Your report helps you understand how to make the most of each of these themes and maximize your potential. You might be thinking, what about the rest of my results? After you've explored your strongest Clifton Strengths themes, the report offers directions for how to navigate the rest of your Clifton Strengths. It even includes ideas for how to identify and manage potential weaknesses. Okay, so you've now discovered all your 34 Clifton Strengths. The next part of your report provides a deeper look at the Clifton Strengths domains. You'll learn whether you lead with the executing, influencing, relationship building, or strategic thinking domain. And you'll see how your unique results sort into the 4 domains. Finally, the end of your report includes an action plan for applying your strongest Clifton Strengths every day to reach your full potential. You'll notice that these steps largely focus on using your results with other people. That's because the real power of your Clifton Strengths comes from how you use them with others. Whether you're at work or at home, take some time to talk to others about your results. Those conversations are critical for making the most out of your report and your Clifton Strengths.